What it do, fam? We coming back with another video. Shit, we finna got a little busy Saturday. I got started late. Shoot down here to this junkyard, get these seats for this car. We got a little car show down there at Rochester today. I'm about to stop by. I ain't gonna stay long. I'm gonna get y'all a little something before we get back. I gotta go get these boats for this seat. I might try to scout that mirror. Got Shaniqua juiced up. So I'm trying to move her, put him where she at. That's what I'm gonna work on him at. We gonna do the intake manifold on that boy today. Damn near $20 just to do that right there. I say, hell, I was finna do mine, so shit, you could pay for me to get in the junkyard and my boat. You know what I'm talking about? Goddamn neighbors coming through. Big boy Ford. But we finna hop our asses in doo-doo and at Dewberry. We finna goddamn finna get to it, man. I'ma hit y'all wherever I make it at first. Besides the gas station. Nigga go to the junkyard. See what these motherfuckers at. Trailblazers. Pathfinder. Damn, they heard of it. Wild song. I think they way over there. They have some row F type. Hey, we done made it back. When I say eat some food for you, take some medicine, you better eat your food before you take your medicine. But I'll switch the cars around. Get up under this thing. I should have cut this shit. Spider with it. We get up under here, drain out this right idle. We're gonna go and try to tackle this thing, man. Gonna take this manifold off this thing. Cut y'all back out in a minute. Get this thing rolling. I'm taking the alternate out. Took the hose out. Then I'm gonna take the motherfucking this off of your knee. Tap back in with y'all in a minute. That's how them damn rats and stuff used to try to come up in here. Whatever it was. Here it go. That's good. So after 3 years, we finally got this joker cleaned up and we finna go on. I'm gonna probably have to record better when I put it back on, cause you know, this is really like my first time by myself. Got a couple of my little spots, I'm very cute. But I'm gonna get this tomorrow, so check back tomorrow. Peace. Nigga. Got both of them out. Well, got this one out. It's the next day. Now I'm just finna put the injectors in this one. Reason why I took this one out, because of the strip. Put some car pack bolts. I'm gonna check back in a minute. My light's still on. Check back in when I get this other one out. That's where we at so far. On the read button. How the motherfucking let some fluids get down off in there. See if it's out there. Let this light out. But I done put the other ones in there. Inside look good so far. Feel real. I'm finna change them last two spark plugs. Got a box of them in the garage. Yeah, take a little break. Tap back in a minute. Shit. Then I just pull these spark plugs out of the 7. I know this number 7. And look at this. That's why my boy misfiring like crazy.
Like I said.
Oh, that's the mess. Listen, I'm finna swap him, man. I ain't never seen that before, man. Y'all drop a comment, man. Y'all ever seen something like that before? Let's see up in there. Oh, man. Then the winner. What the hell is that? I don't know how I'm gonna get this shit out of there. Bro, how do I get this out of here? Well, I got a little bit of it out. Oh, that shit look ugly. I need one of them earth things that go Gotta blew that boy out. I got a compressor, but I ain't got this shit no more. Okay, we finished. We finna do the first little start off. Hopefully, we don't got no leaks. That's what we want. No leaks. No gas leaks. No leaks at all. So we finna see. Baby, if you see anything, scream. Everybody else, let me hear you say. Do the battery. The red one. Don't let it go. Here, you start. I done fucked up. Baby, we up in there. It was battery terminal. I couldn't change them hoes. But I ain't got no leaks right now, no nothing. I'm feeling a little shaky on the motor though. It's probably the ugly ass spark fluid. It's an early somewhere sound like.
Look at him getting this motherfucking truck in here, dog.
Like the fellas mirror for me.
Big Nick, not the little one. Yeah, he don't know why she doing this shit, but he do not like it. What the fuck were you doing? Where were you go? Where did you go?
Yeah, you get that how kind of a crowd and hit right here and turn that way. Aftermath, man. Wonder if I could fix that joker, man. Had a blowout. Wheel came out. Bent the stud, spent that, hit the wall. I wonder if I could fix it. Y'all drop down there, let me see. Let me know. What y'all think? If I could bring it back to life, or I should just chalk it up. First motor, first transmission. Yeah, y'all let me know, man. Man, I'm checking out, man. I done had a day.